Updates don't come if you never hear. Say make I clear you something if you never know. I been yes say, una never know. I been yes say, the mama and papa.
Say even despite say today na environmental, the market block come and don't work. Behind me you see people dey pour decking. Follow me, come on. You see people dey pour decking. You understand? So I'm not sit down for I say I'm not give my update because it's environmental. As environmental finish, I check up my kit and everything. Say I want to do video to show you. Of course, the diaspora we want build house. The market block dey for now 100. Before I go for that, I did for Europe, I did for America, I did for Asia. With the time when you watch my video, say about the project, men active, the project. Follow me. So I supposed to wear my own regala like this jacket dress. So don't say I do too. I supposed my own regala like jacket dress. So they work. They miss Ghana the project. Follow me. Many of them will ask who person when they start with me. So I deal with mega shelter construction company. Like they will I know the one now. So are pioneers. They are pioneers for the market block. There are people when start with us in case of engineering construction work. Many of our diaspora will know them very well. Via the land sale of Omagade model of 2. When they always down the biggest engineering Omagade model of 2. Instead of land sales and everything. Watch now, now you get this side, now you build for this side. And now one of now what the diaspora, now you get this side. You see many work. So men day, I could day, don't worry. Maybe a sharp. So anyway, I will work with Fred of Megahita to give us update. You know what you say every no sharp. Every no sharp. Anyway, I love this guy, the energy day. So let me go. You see, if you want to put a work, you will get workers. You will get lively. You have people who will get lively. Keep watching. I don't market blog. With engineer Fred of Mega Shelter Construction Company. Just fabulous. I don't introduce them more. One also this face. Now don't say this man. They are pioneers for the market blog. You don't think with the market blog that engineers don't do a lot for the diaspora. Any country for Europe don't deliver duplex, hotels, apartments. Don't do a lot. That's why I said this person will get this house. And trust this man for this duplex, this house. You have to quickly greet your people.
Yeah, everybody. Now, good afternoon. I'm greeting from Edo State, Nigeria. I want to first of all appreciate all our clients within and outside the state, especially those in diaspora, for your cooperation, for your understanding, and above all for your trust.
Yes, sir.
For entrusting such projects into our hands, and we are trying our best to make sure we deliver the work to your satisfaction. We still keep on assuring you that we are still on ground. Why we are here is to make sure we satisfy you. Any of the projects you have, no matter how small, no matter how big, we are on ground. Get us involved. Even right from checking site for you to know whether that plot is genuine or not on your behalf, we can do that. Down to design, to construction, to supervision of all sections of construction. We are 100% ready to carry out these services for you. Thank you.
This one I'm man when as it represents sincerity, honesty, you understand, to righteousness. Name anything when you say as the anything relate to good name, 9 days. But if not that, this one not the market blog again. Because why? Because anybody who break my rules must go down. You understand? To you watch this duplex now, they will give me information. Follow me, this guy, you see the duplex now, one day give us information about this duplex wey you do. You understand? So from this beginning, whether they even from the beginning, I don't really know. So, sir, to give us information.
Okay, thank you. Concerning what I dey talk just now, this very duplex, somebody did the job to this level, to decking level. But because of issues, when the owner was consulted concerning us, so he now said we should come and handle this aspect of decking. And since we started, or since we take over, the owner knows how we have been doing. So, and
I like that word. Owner know. It's stage of power.
Yeah, it's all the difference. And you can see, it's just about 2 o'clock now. The job is almost 90% completed. These men, they were here even before 7 o'clock.
To
beat environmental, to make sure we fulfill and deliver as we have promised to our clients.
So I beg, I don't hear say this project not being inside this project actually. Because this person needs a good job. That's why he employ his services. Because this decky area now delicate, not be area when they give novice. Not be area where they say me the manage cement or area where they don't worry. One area where they treat with serious concentration. You understand? So that's why he made this firm make it work for us. Anyway, I don't talk too much. Maybe I believe say get more to tell me about this this decking, and if probably if person want retain am, we take am to the finish level. I don't really know. But anyway, let's focus on this decking. Give us information and what the plan for the one the plan.
Yeah. This building actually, we have the ground floor down. The ground floor is about 3 bedrooms. And the up floor is about 3 bedrooms. Because of space, you can see other structures in the compound.
Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. So let it talk. Continue.
So all the rooms are in suites, and the way the building is, it can be used for lodge.
Okay.
It can be used for apartment. Depends on whatever the owner decide to use it for. So definitely we are going to take off from here. Once we are done with this decking now, then we start preparing for our blocks.
Settings.
Yeah, setting. Then we take off from here and the job continue effectively.
Okay, I like that information when it pass. I beg, we can take note. In case you want builders, I beg you to take note. You understand? So, look to take note. People whether that for they need people to build that. You understand? So they need trusted hands to give their project on. So that's the reason why they bring these people. I'm gonna give them house to the build. You know, so you don't get person like Mega Shelter for the market blog. You see the 5 person want to do the hotel. It's not possible. Anyway, you give us details about the materials and information about this decking. And how many bedrooms be?
The up is 3 bedrooms. Four bedrooms.
4 bedrooms.
All in suites.
All in suites.
Yeah, all in suites. The up is 4 bedrooms, all in suites. Then, like when it comes to material, like in here now in Benin, now we have about 3 types of rods.
3 types.
3 types.
Not 2 again.
Not 2 again. So, but we still make sure we go for the standard, the best rod we use. And even though that we cannot climb up, I would have shown you pictures, or maybe I will send so you see how we reinforce our work to make sure there is no story tomorrow. I think it was like this morning. This morning I heard of some houses that collapsed. Okay, so we make sure our buildings are well reinforced, both with 16 mm and 12 mm. And our spacing will follow the normal standard approved reinforcement.
Yeah. So now you tell me say maybe you use how many rods, how many wood, give us the food information.
Okay. Based on the size of this house, or the number of rods that has entered here, is about 250, 12 mm.
Okay, 12 mm, 250.
Yeah, pieces. Then 16 mm is about 50. 16 mm, yeah, that entered this building. Because we have to run all our beam, right? You can see the beam. Yeah. Unlike some people just put their decking on top of the block, which is a very wrong job. So there must be beams, internal decking beam, which the decking slab rest on. So that's how they are done.
So what about nothing like steel rope, 8 mm for steel rope, nothing like that?
No, we use 8 mm.
How many pieces paper?
We didn't even use 8 mm. We use 10 mm
for steel rope.
Yeah. Use 10 mm.
That means like for 2 cartons.
Yes.
You want the 10 mm?
We 10
mm.
Yeah. If you see some pieces bring of that 6 mm, 10 mm, steel rope with the bend we don't use finish. Yeah. Bend steel rope.
So you want give a proof.
Check there or there. You see. Already the one who bend we do not use.
You want check it.
We didn't even use 8 mm. So it was 10 mm for our steel ropes, 12 mm and 16 mm.
Okay. How many trips of sand we see for the?
Yeah, actually, we bought about 4 trips of sand.
That's 4 in 1.
Yes, 4 in 1.
4 trips.
Yes, but all will not be exhausted. Just to make sure there is no shortage of material.
No, okay.
Then the granite too. The one you see outside is a full trailer load of granite. 30 tons. 30 tons. Yeah. So definitely, if you not remain. Yeah, there will be little left over. Then for cement, based on the size of the house, we are looking at about 130 bags of cement for the decking. I will go for it.
I beg, how many bedrooms is down?
We have about 3 bedrooms.
3 bedroom, and you expect 4 for up.
Yeah.
And about 7 bedroom.
Yeah.
I bet if you plan to take on this type of project, I bet rely on mega shelter.
Even bigger projects. These are just one of the smallest of our projects.
Why is it? I mean, they get the estimate.
Yeah.
They don't know how much they expect. One chest. Because one thing about this house, now material they really
exactly.
not to use engineer to work any problem. Now materials. So I get the information of you so CMM, you so 12M, you so this thing of fit chest down.
Yes.
You have to work towards them. Except those in America and Canada, I love the way they build their house. People for Canada and America, they want builders, they get the money finished before they start the project. Before they buy land. So in case you bring money for POP, don't keep on one guy. Money for road, don't keep on one side. Because they watch videos online. You understand? So they will know say this is actually want to attach road enter. So arrange the money down. You understand? So that's what before you say person be that 3 months. Like because don't watch video, don't plan the money, don't do everything. Apart that, don't work towards the project already. That's why they get the money. They don't talk too much. You see near this building. What do you answer? Like of son, more time here. Can I the first them? So how many days now? Don't finish. How many days you say expect to start setting?
Ideally, by engineering standard, most of the time we say 21 days. But that 21 days actually is to remove the formwork. Okay. But before the 21 days, we can start setting. So this is the 10 mm we use for. So you can see these are so.
Editor, yes, 10 mm.
You can see these are some of the leftover.
Editor, imagine. So some people they really get this money. About they get the money, they don't want to make mistake.
That's
they don't want to make mistake because this has of the thing.
Imagine the load coming on top of this building.
So I did Facebook recently. I see one house with the put parapet. The back got designed.
Poor reinforcement now.
What job? What job?
And imagine the cost. What is going to take the owner to fix it? You understand?
So if that finish, something maybe crack or it divide.
Right,
so just imagine the cost of every parapet you carry.
Right.
But I was like, this customer, the time of work, I've been a poor engineer give to build this house. I don't divide that. So
many factors are responsible.
Okay.
One, either it was not handled by a professional, or two, too much interference.
Yes, so.
You understand?
And that's for the people.
Exactly. Too much interference. There's sometimes to some owner, even when you are telling them this is what you prefer to use, they would like telling you, that's what brother don't have for a camera. Now, so a lot of things are involved.
I don't know if they say not people to build that do ask for one party. That has go last. You don't do as don't open the house finish. On that 2 years, that has do maintenance.
Yeah.
That will be backwardness. So it's not the work we do. My man, just that we start to smith cash them. Started smith cash the concrete. So anyway, I don't plan of yak shutter from the beg. You don't get the information. You don't go build that and then go make mistakes what people they make. You understand? So for good information, rely on them. There's no other stream. You understand? So rely on them. If possible, for the market blog. Sir, how do you work on the build this blog? When people don't say the market blog, I don't mega shelter will not see again for many years. We will always do video. So this is that you are ready to resume site fully. I don't know if you go site before, but where's your update? But these are ready to see update continuously.
Yes.
So put that for them when they see the answer online. They see how they post it and everything.
Yeah. Actually, for some months, we have been a kind of offline. And why we are offline, it's not because we are not ground. We are ground. It's just the time, business. But we now concentrate more on our estate side, area of our properties. But we felt also that because some of our clients have been calling, are we no longer there as usual? So we have to at least let them know that we are always on ground. We are always on ground, and henceforth, we assure you, we will always be on ground and more regular than ever before.
Okay, now you tell us that say you ready to travel, as they are progress for Abuja, and they play for Lagos, and they play for East. Then you take project, take job from different states. Now only Benin,
No. Currently we have job outside Benin. Apart from just within Edo State, then we have job in Lagos. We go there, we attend the job, and we do it properly. So we are not limited to though we based in Benin, Edo State, but our job is not limited to Edo State. We have job very well in Lagos and other parts of the state. And anytime, any day you call on us, we are ready to go with you.
Okay, listen, I suppose near the state, people they work now called sun. not feel near them. You understand me? I dey film my camera, I no go have a hot temperature issue. So that's why I'm not near them. But I need to encourage you. I know say na friend and that right point I know dey encourage you in terms of building. I'll see how and just you need to start to do that. Put it that they procrastinate too much. I go be that. Yeah, don't end. Don't buy land, don't do that.
Yeah.
So I need to encourage them. Don't fear to do that.
Yes.
Let them know that they need to start the project. And I encourage them.
See, my brothers and sisters in diaspora, I want to tell you one secret. The way the condition of Nigeria is, the way the condition of this country is, any money you have and you decide to save it, let's say you save it by January, by December it has lost its value. It has reduced its value. What am I trying to say? Things are always on the increase. Things are always on the increase. And again, Edo State is not longer the way it used to be. By the grace of God, we have some responsible and trustworthy people now on ground, just as you have this Edo block. So you can achieve your best through it. So then again, don't wait until you have millions before you go to your project. Even buying of land, there are land you can buy gradually. Then in projects, maybe like this project has been on gradually. Maybe your first phase, you can decide to just mode block, just 1,000 or 2,000 blocks. Now we'll be out of it. Then you take the next phase gradually, because the more you wait, the more things are increasing. The journey of building is not an easy journey. Start it gradually, and before you know, you arrive.
I don't think I put myself say no matter the encouragement, I will continue to encourage you now.
Yeah.
That's my job. That's the last night you come. I continue to encourage you on the diaspora. I want to do that because I've been there. I know when you come Nigeria, too much respect I will give you.
Yes, now.
Because you're comparing with your friends, say, you know, see, this guy, don't be that street. See, what you want to do? Go do nonsense for abroad. I know I this. That's why they encourage them, they always turn up. They do the need. Perfect, mega staff company. Always active. I beg. Many of them get land. You say that you don't want to go far place or Benin, say that place too far. They see me now, they're begging for bullshit. Now, let you can go there. I don't want to go there. You can go. I don't think I pick tips on there.
Yes.
You can go. So I beg, make you not relent. Anyway, come now, okay, so at this place, go follow a day, keep watching, I don't market. Before you appreciate the side, I was have say family member no dey. So there was that your smell to follow camera. Teammate they use to go they like. They adequate to make sure say smell catch material. And this machine number off since. Now follow me. So I don't have to pause it, they monitor your job. Hey, what is smell? So I want to tell you how you make arrangement with your clients.
Yes, like the area of Smith now. I calculated about 130 bags of Smith. So Jonathan said he will buy 150 because of variations. So fine, you consider that we drop the 130 here, you have extra in that store.
They said that.
Yeah, so whatever is left, we will not use to start the work.
They say they watch, no,
we don't use
everything there. As we talk, say even CCTV camera, the owner they watch the service. CCTV camera they watch this compound. Everything they have to look at, the owner they watch even at this compound too.
Even down to bamboo, even though it's only one piece left, is there. You pick it.
We look about wood. I forget. We miss wood. How many wood is our wood? Board.
The board was about. But we didn't use all. We bought about 380 board, but we didn't use all.
That's 18 feet.
Yes, no, 12 feet.
12 feet, 18.
Yes. So these are Mr. Oshoma is the carpenter who did his.
I see the carpenter where he work with the mega shutter. So, but he do great job. Continue working with the mega shutter. They do wonderful job. If you give mega shutter work, this man and the part of the team, they deserve every job. I hope they do this video go. So anything you want to talk about the carpenter work? I mean, we don't give us information.
I do not have paid it for. So we bought about 350 square feet wood. We did not use all because our company Mega Shelter we don't give estimate that does not work. We give you proper estimate to make sure that we calculate it well. Because see, you cannot buy material, we now ask you to go and buy again. You feel that we are not professional, we don't know whatever we are doing. So we give you proper estimate that we do that to the smell, that to the rod. If you check our estimate, we will explain to the owner why we are doing it. Because if you are to continue on time, we tell you that buy the material complete. So you have more material to start on time, not that you are going to be short of material.
Not be church, not be church. Who share the material dey remain and the road dey remain. Mo church, dey see am for here. Follow me, Garama. Bambo who remain sef, follow me. See the road wey remain. See the road, see Bambo remain. Not be church, say maybe he said they know they make mistake for quotation. Because dem say you give quotation finish because that one na once talent wey you need to learn. As you are going to learn, you go give quotation, you go miss am. That means you no know your job. See am now, see material wey remain. See the 12 feet board wey remain. See all the road wey remain. Hard work man go give quotation at the ending. He will tell client say I'm sorry, it's not my fault. You are not capable. So rely on capable hands. Make you no go regret. Because you don plan say you wan spend 2 million for this thing. At the end of the work go dey draw you go back. You go pay 100,000 extra. That one not tell well. Use professional. And I sit there with a mega shutter and now you go say you want to give them a big thank you. I bet you go appreciate them, sir. So
yeah, actually, I sincerely appreciate you all, at least for your encouragement and your patronage all these years, all this while. And above all, even some of you even introduce us to other clients. They will call us and say that it is somebody who gave us job that link. So we really appreciate all this. And we want to once again still encourage you because your development, your success is our concern. Understand? Because if you are, as we are not here now, we have become your eyes here. So because now, if you are not getting information about this Edo State or Nigeria from this medium, you may not know what is happening. You may just be there, flexing and living. But when you now come back home, you now discover that things are changing, irrespective of how the country is going. But things are changing. People are trying. People are developing. So key in and begin to do your best, and you will get the best. Thank you.
Keep watching. God bless you. If you want to be there, don't get information. Rely on mega shutter. The market development.